Governor Abokasan believes that it's only in an atmosphere of peace and security that development can take place. Therefore, he has, based on his background as somebody who grew up within an environment of, that understands the importance of security, and also his mindset as somebody who understands who is a global citizen, he has taken security as one of the cardinal priority. And he also knows that as a state, he cannot achieve it alone. So since he was sworn in on May 29, 2015, he has struck various partnerships with critical stakeholders both at the national and state level. One of the steps that he took was reaching out to top echelon of all the security agencies in the country. He has visited the Inspector General of Police, he has visited the Chief of Army Staff, he has also visited the Chief of Air Staff, he has also visited the Commandant General of Nigeria, NSDC, the Civil Defense, all to speak with them in terms of collaboration on how to secure Niger State. One of the issues that Governor Abubakar has raised considered is that Niger State has the largest land mass, and therefore there's a requirement for what you call boot on the ground, more men at the security agencies. And as a result of his effort, the civil defense posted more men to Niger State. There is also, as a result of his request, also a new mobile police unit was established in Kontagora to secure not just Niger State but all the areas of Zamfara and others against kidnapping, cattle rustling and other form of criminality. But it didn't stop there. Since May 29, 2015 up till November, he has given out over 100 motorcycles to vigilante group across the state, considering the difficult terrain. So to help all the vigilante who understand their environment, so that in a place where it is difficult for policemen or other security agents to reach, this vigilante can assist by using motorbike. Also, he has also given some Hilux vehicle to vigilante group all across the local government. But much more than that, through the joint Operation Zuma, where all security agencies in the state are working to secure the state, over about 90 Hilux vehicles have been given. But in addition to that, the government also, Governor Abuka also established one stop center, information center, so that anywhere all these vehicles are, they can now collect information and reach out to difficult area on how to nip criminal activity in the state. At some point, there have been air surveillance in the state to secure very difficult areas, and these have been yielding results. Every day, these criminals who cross-border criminals have been apprehended, a large number of cattle recovered, and all over the state.